easy vegetable biryani recipe. For this we need 2 cups of basmati rice. Soak it for 30 minutes and clean and drain it. We need 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add all spices and salt it well. Need 1 big onion. Saute it well. Add required amount of salt. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. Saute till its raw smell goes. Now it's time to add the available vegetable size. 1 tomato medium size. Green chilies. Now add the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder. Then add in the leaves and add curd 4 tablespoons and half lemon. Mix together and cook till softened. It's time to add soft clean basmati rice, about 2 cups. Then add a required amount of water to cook. It's about 4 cups of clean water. Add salt as per your needs. Again add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Close the lid and wait for 1 whistle. After releasing all the pressure inside, you can serve it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.